What you think again?
Oh no, what me do the Chocho, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
The Chocho, yeah, Jamaican red. Event tomorrow, R&B, all one for all and all for one. So this is the beginning. We're picking up some peas, lintel and chickpeas and all of that. So, you know. Alright.
Yeah, this is the first one, and it's called Arambe Hall. RMO Arambe Hall. Yes, so it's slated is to get back, we want to search for that gumminess in Rastafari, bring it back to that gumminess. So that's the game. In Salt Marsh Lawn, at Little Ethiopia, the Rasta, that's a Rastafari space that we have in Salt Marsh where we gather, and most time and play drums, and so we're going to invite the entire community to come out this Sunday. Today.
Rastafari in the street, heading to Big Gear, see it? That's the one.
I will hear the voices. I will hear the voices. You come with your brainwash education and your strange religion. You even try to change my name. Call me by your dog name Bingo. But my name remains the same. My name is King Bumbo. I was here before you came. I was here before you came. You come and you took away my land, you took away my plan, you took away my ambition from being an African nation. Slavery out on your plantation with no compensation. But I was here before you came, Mr. and Mrs. European. I was here before you came. So it's Modification, 1966. And he leave a document in the House of Representatives for I and I, the sons and daughter of Ethiopia, who dwell upon this island here.
Now, to the serious case that you see here, so I'm about to for everybody today. So it's just all upon the serious cross, kind of like she's bouncing. Beautiful royal empresses. Yes, man, got children, man.
You want to take my picture?
All mama, your video too.
Blessed love.
Humble empress. Hello, brother.
Rastafari.
Alright. Majesty. Humble beloved. Hey, Lord. Young Kingston. Yeah. Let's see.
One love, my brother. One love.
Yes.
This is the part that called
Great artist, chef, big brother, family. My friend. Ja.
Get in here.
Humblest king man on earth. This yeah. Remember me telling you this. Major life. Here, your children.
Rastafari.
And this is the character, sir. So now we have Ras.
Okay. All power, give thanks to the Assemble, House of Siba, Rastafari, Nation, all over creation, give thanks again, Rastafari. See that.
I can hear that fully. Aye. Once again, my name is Abidan Gafari. Right? I is one of the chairpersons of RMO.
Which is weird.
Yes, I represent one body. You hear the ancients make a sound a while ago saying organization and centralization. And that is what I represent system are about. I not come here to sell one more thing. Nor tell any house, mansion or organization how to run them things. And that is an idea. I have an idea for the unity. One voice. So when we talk as one nation, one government, within that so-called government. And then government represents. See, I represent all of the items. Every single solitary one of the items there. All comes from them. But the item when they are comes from is other than Rastafari. If the item never yeah, if the item never Rastafari, the item will not be here. So I don't look on the item as no different than the other side? Yeah. And we have some things we have to be part and non-political right.
That is it.
Then around to abuse.
Greetings.
All of them.
Alright, my dear.
For a man that they say died, how can a man call a weakness to weakness himself?
So today we are doing some blood pressure checking. We have to check the vital, check the pH level, make sure it's not too acidic or too alkaline. And if it is, of course, recommend to the ancients and the people them exactly what is to be done to correct same. But so far still we realize that the older far right when I check, then vitals up. The younger one them vitals shaky, so something going on. Yeah, something going on.
So what you know make it easier information once a know where to find you exactly.
If you find me, well, I am on Instagram at Donmama Seba DONMAMA_SEBA, Facebook The Sebaneers, TikTok Seba.NAIRES Nears, and of course WhatsApp is my social media 876-282-7147.
You know, so what the ones I want to do in Rastafari culture, I don't really like to go over themselves checked, pressure check. I don't understand the importance of getting them blood pressure check and self-regulated, be on the right and proper liver, etc.
Do well. Knowing how your vitals are, knowing your blood pressure, your blood sugar state, your pH state is very important, because if the pH is off, it is naturally indicating that you're having an infection somewhere. You understand? Obviously indicating that there's an issue to be addressed. Sometimes it may not be. It can be that you're dehydrated and you need more water, dependent on what the pH is like. The blood sugar, definitely you need to know about blood sugar, because the blood sugar out of place and out of nowhere you can have a stroke. That's natural, you know. The blood pressure levels, most definitely, if it's too low, you have to know so you have to eat more caloric, and if it's too high, you know, you have to cut out certain things. So it is what it is, you know. Knowing your vitals is very important, because at least that is giving you an indication of what is happening on the inner side.
Or you can prevent and
how we can prevent and cure. Well, since what outbreak, the malaria, since the malaria outbreak, somewhere in 1965 there was a law that was passed that herbalists cannot claim that they can cure anything. Yes, so me now go say we can cure, but we can treat and prevent. Yes. Dan Mama. That is it. Give thanks.
You know? So, beloved family, you can just give us a sound to us. And we just want to take the opportunity to say, Rastafari, we're on the move, right? We have now evolved into an organization as RMO, this is Rastafari Mansion Organization, which is representing of Rastafari Mansion, an organization right across Jamaica. We have 13 such organizations that sign up, and we want more to come forward so we can spread the love. Because guess what we said? And liberation, I'm saying, of NI people, you know, black people have to free themselves, you know. So we have some brochures that I can give out to everyone, and we also have some button, which is a fundraising button we use to raise some money to have our fund. We can say, yeah, we can do certain things when we get it like this. So we give thanks, and we want to support the button. So family, bless and love, give thanks. Rastafari.
Yes, sir, give thanks. Rastafari. Yeah, Haile Selassie the first. Yeah, Haile Selassie the first. Yeah, Haile Selassie the first. Yes, I go give thanks, you know, to the gathering of I family, you know, come together within a unified way, you know, to project the unity of Rastafari, you know. So we do give thanks, you know, this evening, Rasnikas really speak on the rights of Rastafari. You know, I right to position a ganja. You know, and according to the 2015 amendment, you know, rule against position of ganja do not apply to Rastafari. You know? Yeah, so we kind of have the amendment right here, so. And you just want a Rasta youth to overstand them rights. This is the 2015 amendment. It's a copy still. Small copy, you know, handbook where the Ministry of Justice give out still. Yeah, so inside like this book that yeah. To really I say. Yeah, we get some light and going light, you know. Yeah, to show you right now, sir. You know. I'm sure you said the police may issue a ticket, you know, to a person, you know, in possession of 2 ounces or less of ganja, similar to a traffic ticket, you know. Yeah, and a person will get 30 days, you know, to pay that ticket, you know, that traffic ticket. However, we see that now really happen when I see the traffic ticket that come out. The virgin will get involved with the law, ganja and really. You know, and I'm sure you said that now wouldn't be a man of criminal record according to the documents to have less than 2 ounces. You wouldn't get a criminal record, you know, for having less than 2 ounces. And, you know, that is 7 that show you that. And then now, 8 that show you see a person who is found with 2 ounces of ganja or less who is under the age of 18 and who is 18 years and older and appear to the police to defend on ganja will also be referred to National Council on Drugs Abuse for counseling in addition to having to pay the ticket. You know, even going through the court system and have Rastafari right being taken away because, you know, of injustice, you know. So the struggle continue, but the Rastaman right is there. So it's just unity within in a unified way, then we'll gather all that strength, you know, to go forward for I and I right. So let I and I unite and give thanks to the unity and the ones that will come forward, you know, to present themselves, you know, to get a listening ears to the word of righteousness. We do give thanks in the name of Haile Selassie the first. Haile I. Haile I. Selassie. Rastafari. Bless.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beloved. Amen. Well, we want to kind of give thanks and praise every time, you know. So I need to move forward. You know, some reverence and devotion, you know. So I need to chant up without the mic or something.
The chant. Yeah, I'm back to see it. Let's chant your priest forward.